Where are you flying? Los Angeles? What were you doing? And what was the story about the bird?
No, mean pig.
Pig. What was the story about the pig?
Well, it's gonna be a puppet show. Where's my puppet feeder?
Well, it's hiding right now.
It's like, Daddy, don't you take me away from there?
Can you step away?
Alright.
Let's put it in the living room.
Alright. Cheese.
Cheese? Are you hungry?
No. I just send cheese to the trailer.
Go.
Take me out to a garden. Take me out to a drown. If they don't win, it's a shame. But it's a chocolate shop. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 swings are out of an odd body.
Okay, ready? Start. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and cracker jacks. I don't care if I never get back. Oh, it's root for Oakland. If they don't win,
Let's
it's a
go,
shame.
Oakland.
For it's
1, 2, 3
strikes, you're out.
out of an odd body.
Can you?
There's a guy on the A's, his name's Jim Iovine, and he actually got sent down to the minors because he wasn't hitting very well, but he could like catch the ball, and before he landed on the ground, he could whip around and throw it accurately. Amazing. Yeah, he was like, oh my gosh, so exciting. Oh yeah.
Look how big a field is.
So he could just they sent him down to work on his batting. And he's still on the payroll when he goes back next season, maybe. They might trade him. But I mean, his fielding is really so fun to watch the field. Happy birthday to you.
Don't I blow the candles out first?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ray. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Wish baby cakes. Yeah.